ready to ditch those boring delivery gigs and turn your drone into a real money maker. Let's see which one is the best for your pocket. First up, the Tello. This tiny titan is incredibly affordable, making it a great entry point. It's light and easy to fly, perfect for smaller payloads. However, its limited range and battery life severely restrict its carrying potential. The plastic build also means it may be more fragile when carrying heavier items. Now for the Spark, slightly larger and more powerful. The Spark offers better wind resistance and stability, essential for carrying heavier objects. Its longer flight time and extended range dramatically increase your delivery radius. The sturdier construction also provides more confidence when transporting valuable cargo. Consider the distance you'll need to travel. The Spark can clearly handle longer distances thanks to its superior range. For example, delivering coffee across a small park. Tello might work. Delivering medicine across town? Spark is your champion. Payload is critical. The Tello is really only suited to very light items, think letters, business cards or candies. Don't try to load it with anything remotely heavy or it will have a hard time taking off. The Spark, on the other hand, can handle items like small packages, essential documents, or even small gadgets without too much trouble, making it a much more useful carrier. Accidents happen. The Tello's lighter build means it's more susceptible to wind and less stable, increasing the risk of crash, especially with a load. The Spark's stability and better obstacle avoidance systems offer a much safer and more reliable delivery platform, minimizing those costly mishaps. So, the winner is generally the Spark. Unless your payload is featherlight, you are operating in a small area and the budget is your main concern, then the Spark is the clear winner for superior range, stability, and payload capacity. Consider your needs, prioritize safety and always fly responsibly. Good luck with your drone delivery service.